Today we're going to go ahead and start by installing the MetaQuest Link app so you can get access to the desktop editor in Horizon. This link will be in the description of the video, or if not, you can go to google.com and search MetaQuest Link app. It should be the first link and it should take you to this. Click right here, this button, to download the software. After you download it, you're going to go ahead and open it. And this is the main screen. You're gonna go ahead and log in with your Oculus account or with Facebook. In my case, I'm using Facebook, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click login. It's gonna take me to this page here, and then it's gonna go ahead and I'm gonna press continue, and it should log you in. But you need to close the MetaQuest app and then reopen it, and you should be logged in, good to go here. So if you go to, we're going to go to the store, and we're going to go ahead and search Meta Horizon, and you click on that, and it should be one of the top apps, as you can see it here. After that, you're going to go ahead and instead install or get. So make sure you click the download or purchase or get option here. After you do that, it should be into your library. If you click on your library here in apps, updates, and wishes. So every time there's an update, you will see a little red notification up here that there is an update for MetaQuest or the Link software. So we're gonna go into the apps here. As you can see, Meta Horizon World, it's here already. So if you click on it, you get this error here that your computer's not powerful enough to open it. But what we're gonna do is click those three dots right here, and then you're gonna see these options. We're gonna go ahead and start in desktop mode. So we're gonna go ahead and let that do their thing here, and it open in my other there we go. This is the creation home, that creation tab. Pretty much you can click in any of your words that you have been working in here, and then you can click those three dots here and duplicate the word. Look at who is in collaborator and backups. You can look up your backups for that word or delete that word. So yeah, this is how you start the desktop editor for Net Horizon. See you in Horizon.